Hello from Japan. I am in my small little maker space. Today is a rare day. Well, not really rare, but I have 5 of my 10 machines working. The PLA ones. They are working on a pretty unique print, I think. Well, multiple actually, but this is not always so, but it is nice, especially knowing with confidence that all the machines are going to do what they're supposed to do. This is the K1 Max. And these are my Prusa's MK4s. Well, technically the two at the top are MK3.9s, but essentially MK4s. And they are all working on this.